Hi, this is Kaijie from Kaijie Tube Raw, and I'm sorry my motorcycle LAQ video took a long time to come, but yeah, I finally managed to get the time to make this video, and here my LAQ motorcycle is. As you can see, you can dismantle it and break it into pieces and build whatever you want. You just snap it in. So it can move very smoothly, and because it has three wheels that really move. See, 1, 2, 3. 1 over here, and then a 2, and then a 3. And I think these two are the handles, and then these two are the headlights, and this is and then this is the back light. It's the red lights at the back. Inside it is kind of hollow. See? I can stick my finger in, but then at this part, it is not hollow, or else this will drop off. And there's many of these little things that you can stick into LAQ stuff, and then you can make your creation. You don't have to follow the instructions, but I just thought it would be nice. I spent a lot of time making this in my holiday, and there's some. I'm not sure why they like to put these little squares here. I'm not sure, maybe to stop stuff falling out or something to make it look more fixed together. But yeah, and I think we are done. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I haven't stopped making videos yet. Bye.